Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 9. It is Saturday and I have a few errands to run today, but I'm still gonna do my vlogs. I have to go to the mall, I have to go to the airport, I have a few pickups to do today, but I'm still gonna do my vlog, guys. So let's start the day. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start my day at Starbucks. I'm feeling for a peppermint mocha, so I'm gonna get something to eat as well, and then I am going to start my day doing these errands. So let's go. Alright guys, so I'm at the airport now. This is my first errand for the day. So I'm outside and I'm just waiting. Alright, so I'm at Starbucks now, finally. And I need a...
Hi, may I have a
iced
chai pumpkin spice latte?
We don't have pumpkin. So they didn't have the pumpkin spice, so I took the caramel ribbon crunch frap. But how could they not have any pumpkin spice? That's seasonal drink and it's not even Christmas as yet. It is 7 o'clock. I'm still on the road about to go in Macy's. Guys, I'm so tired. Oh my god, I leave home from 9 o'clock this morning and it's 4 minutes after 7 and I'm still here on the road. I don't even have a meal. Whew, and I'm so cold. Alright guys, so I'm in Macy's now. I have some stuff to pick up that I order online. So that's what I'm gonna do now.
Hello.
Hi, can I help you?
You ready to pick up, right?
Yes.
So I did my pickup in Macy's. I am going to Cheesecake Factory now to get some food. I already called and ordered it, so I'm gonna... Okay, wrong place, my neighbor. Oh, this is so pretty. That is pretty. Please here, save me from fear, give you to someone special. So I just pulled up at Cheesecake Factory, waiting on them to bring my order out. I'm eating in the car, I'm so hungry. Guys, it's 8:26 and I just got home. Today was a hectic day. I was so hungry. I ordered some food at Cheesecake Factory and I stayed right there in their parking lot, and that's where I eat the food. I was so hungry. Today was just not my day. I didn't even get to vlog that much because it was just not my day. But I am home and I'm still gonna vlog the rest of my day. It's 8:37, so whatever I'm gonna do now, I will vlog. I'm gonna take a pamper shower, maybe drink a glass of wine and just unwind myself. Guys, so this is the end of Vlogmas Day 9. I am really tired, and Vlogmas Day 9 was my most challenging vlog so far. I could hardly even find time for myself today or even time to vlog, but I made it to the end of the day. Thank you all for watching. Please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all on Vlogmas Day 10 tomorrow. Peace out.